Hi, Andrea here, and in this video I'm going to address a very particular feature of the FeiyuTech AK2000. When you say FeiyuTech DSLR gimbal, the question everybody asks is, does it do the infinite roll? Now, if you're not familiar with it, the infinite roll is a feature of the DJI Ronin S. Basically, what the infinite roll does is spinning the camera around during the shot. It's very easy, very effective, but impossible without serious gimbal. So the question here is, does the AK2000 do the infinite roll? Well, check this out. What do you think? Now, FeiyuTech doesn't market it as a feature explicitly. I guess there is some copyright issue with DJI, but yes, it does it. Indeed, it does it. Let's have a look. So, how do you get this kind of shot? I'll show you.
To start the infinite roll, the gimbal has to be in AF mode, so you triple tap this button here, 1, 2, 3, and this goes AF. Now, you have to use the joystick, you spin clockwise, and you spin counterclockwise, so you decide which direction is best. Make sure you are in AF. If you are in HF and you touch the joystick, what is gonna happen is this. The camera doesn't spin around the head motor, but it just keeps the lens leveled like this. So again, make sure you are straight, triple tap this button here, 1, 2, 3, you go in AF, and now when you touch the joystick, the camera starts spinning. You can spin the camera also using the wheel here. You put this with this icon and then you roll the wheel. This way you can control how fast you spin it. But it's a little bit more difficult, so I would suggest use the joystick.
So this covers the question, does the FeiyuTech AK2000 do the 360 spinning shot, aka infinite roll? Yes, it does. If this is what is keeping you from buying this fantastic gimbal, just go ahead and buy it because it is a fantastic gimbal. And just not only the head motor is spinning around 360, but all the other motors are spinning free like this, you see. It's pretty awesome. Alright, that's it for this video, and since you're still watching, hit the like button for me and subscribe. I'll see you at the next one. Ciao.